First I downloaded this image from Google. By the magic wand, select the same black color. Then go to edit menu, define brush preset. Now select your picture. Also select the created brush and open its setting. Here you can reduce brush size. Also rotate your brush. Also do some changes on shape dynamic and scattering. Then add a layer mask, Alt backspace or Control backspace to mask the entire image. Then set the color white and reveal it slowly. Again you can create marquee selection. To fill black, you can unmask the area. Again you swap the color and apply your brush. First I create a new layer and create a new selection and fill it black. Then go to layer style. Here blending option, opacity should be 0. And turn on bevel and emboss. Do the below changes. Then turn on inner shadow and set the value. Finally turn on drop shadow and set the value below. Now you can create new shape or new text. Just simply right click, copy this effect and paste it for other layers. So this is how you can create water effects in Photoshop. First gradient tool எடுத்துங்க. On the top select rounded gradient, then double click on the gradient. Here both top stopper opacity initially 0. Then adjust the bottom stopper and pick it rainbow colors. And add 2 stopper at the top, this time opacity 100%. Then add new layer and drag it. You will get your gradient. Then change the mode to screen. After that add layer mask, choose your brush, default color black, then mask at the bottom. So this is how you can create rainbow on the picture. இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்மூத்தான அனிமேஷன் Photoshopல பண்ண முடியுமா? First take your smooth brush, then mask mode select பண்ணுங்க. Top color should be black. Then apply on your water area. Then come back to mask mode and shift Ctrl I to inverse the selection. Then Ctrl J, you can duplicate the copy. Then take one more duplicate, right click, create clipping mask. Then go and take timeline. Here create video timeline. Then go to its property, turn on position. Then move the timeline to last frame. Ctrl T, you can transform the object. Then increase the only height. Then enter and move to down. So now you can play, you can get your animations. This is how we can create animation in Adobe Photoshop. Simple photo manipulation. First I cut out the subject. Then select the water based picture. Change the mode to overlay. Then add layer mask. Select your basic smooth brush. Mask it unwanted areas. Then turn on our subject and select road based picture. Ctrl J, you can take duplicate and move its layer to top. This time change the mode to color to get more realistic. So this is the basic photo manipulation in Photoshop. First cut out your mockup area. Right click, make selection, then Ctrl J to get duplicate. Then create your shape. Make it into smart object. Then reduce opacity. Ctrl T for transform. Right click and distort. Then rearrange your shape. Then right click, warp, you can rearrange more. Then increase opacity. Then press Ctrl, click on the layer, then select the shape layer, mask it unwanted area. Now change the mode to multiply. Then hold Alt key, double click on this layer, the shape open into new window. Then place your design. Then close it and save. So this is how simply you can create mockup for your design. First I create a rectangle. Then go to layer style and stroke. Then change stroke color and inside. Also adjust the stroke width. Then hit OK. Now create a rectangle marquee. Right click, feather. That value should be 15 to 20. Then create a new layer. Default color black. Alt backspace to fill it. Then Ctrl T, right click, warp. Now you can adjust your shape. And arrange the layer to bottom. Then again Ctrl T, you can transform it. Now select both layers and give it link. Now you can move anywhere. Now placeholder ready. You can import your picture and right click, create clipping mask. So this is how you can create green shadow. First ஒரு image cut out பண்ணிட்டேன். Then I take one more duplicate. Then select the layer. Go to effect, blur and motion blur. To giving more detail, I take two more duplicates the layer. Then select all those layers. Ctrl E to merge it. Then add layer mask. Select gradient, default color black and white. Liner gradient. And drag to mask it right side area. To give more detail, select brush and reduce opacity, default color black and mask it outside. So this is how you can create speed effect in Photoshop. Hair மட்டும் focus பண்ணி work பண்ணலாம். First I create a new layer and fill my own color. Then arrange the layer to bottom. Then select the hair image layer and take quick selection tool. Roughly select the subject. Now don't worry about finishing on the hair. If your selection go wrong anywhere, press Alt key and minus your selection. After that, edit and mask, turn on smart radius. Set the radius level 14. Then mode should be on black. Then turn on decontainment color. Here value should be around 70%. Then take the brush here and apply on the hair. Then reduce opacity around 30%. Still you can apply your brush. Then hit OK. Now perfectly hair background is removed. Now you can change another color as well. Go to channel, select blue channel and take one more duplicate. Then Ctrl L, adjust dark area more darkness, bright area more brightness. Also select brush, default color black and apply on the missing area. Then press Ctrl key, click on the channel, you will get selection. Then inverse the selection. Again come back to layer and add mask layer. So now create a new layer, you can fill it your own color. This is how you can easily cut out the tree background.